Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Wednesday, January 14th, 6:36 p.m. Yeah, Wednesday. Boy, today has been a very expensive day. Paid the rent. Oh, and I now have a rental scooter for 3 months, but I got the price of it down. So, yay. Uh, yeah, and that's a good thing. They want me to come back as soon as I hit just shy of 49,000 K, which is 600 kilometers, 500, something like that. Yeah, I got to get it back over there to them. Yay. Next week. Uh, yeah. And yeah, I've been going in and asking. I'm ready to pick up one of the salespeople and throw him over my shoulder and carry him to the warehouse and then take the warehouse and say, why is it empty and not have 2026s in it? Yeah, I seen they got a blue one out, that little Honda Click in a blue color uh, coming out for the 2026 version, the upgraded. Uh, I want it. Yeah, it's a 125. It's not the 160. Uh, but it's blue, and I like blue. Uh, yeah. So I'm sitting here going crazy, waiting for a scooter. And I've been enjoying getting out and riding. Uh, I didn't just ride to ride today. I had several things to go do, and tomorrow morning I'm going to have to get over and go pick up my passport. They sent me a note saying it's ready about 3 o'clock. I almost wanted to go right then, but yeah, today was already expensive enough between grocery shopping, my other odds and ends, and eating and paying rent and rental on a motorcycle, rent for my hotel room here. So yeah, 34,000 pesos. No, yeah. Today was expensive. Somewhere 34, somewhere close to $600 today. But that's okay. That breaks out over, for on a daily basis, quite acceptable for the bike. I'm going to be buying one as soon as I can. And yeah, the cost of it and gas, a little higher than actually riding a Jeepney, but lower than the Maxims if I just rode Maxims. So actually, lower than, yeah. It's easy to go through the pesos on a Maxim. Uh, I have spent $10 on Maxims in one day. Don't do that much anymore. I rather ride the Jeepney. It's cheaper. And right now, this will cost me somewhere $5 a day, $4 a day, depending on how far I go. Uh, yeah, it might even be as low as $3 a day. Uh, well, yeah, $4 a day. Uh, if I do very little traveling, uh, Yeah. If I actually get active and go all the way to Denali and back a couple times in one day, gas could eat me up on that. But yeah, just tooling around right here and not really going that far. This thing gets like, I think it's over 45 kilometers to the liter. So yeah, it gets pretty good gas mileage. That's why I want the little blue one, little blue Honda Click 125i, Vivo or something. I don't remember. I saw it on the screen. Everybody be reviewing it. I'm ready for it. Oh man, am I ready for it? I'm just hoping that they get them out soon because I want to. I want to get this thing. Yes, I am definitely ready for it. Uh, and I don't know how well you can see the differences. Differences in my shirts. Yeah, I'm getting some suntan. This is a good thing. I usually wear a shirt uh, and don't stay out in the heat or the light, the sun that much. Uh, I've been on this bike and riding around and staying out there, and I'm even getting a bit of. I wore my sandals, which have toes on them, so they are acceptable as wearable, from what I understand. Uh, you're not supposed to just wear slippers, flip flops. Although I see a lot of people wearing them, I wouldn't. Uh, the sandals is the least I would go, and they're actually got a closed toe on them, so and they're strapped on and tied down. So yeah, that's the minimum I would do that I'm doing. Usually I just go ahead and wear my shoes, and twice I've gone out with boots, and I realize how heavy they are and how hot they are. Yeah, part of me wants to, the other part says, "Oh no." Uh, I don't know. Some days, yay. Some days, no. Choices, choices. Everything in life is a choice. So I could wear the boots all the time. Then I need more space in my luggage storage compartment because you can't get my boots and a helmet in there at the same time. So I ride somewhere, I have to carry a pair of shoes with me to so I don't have to walk with them heavy boots. And they're steel toes. They're real boots. They're yeah. I break my leg before I skin my toe, kind of thing. It's yeah. Anyway, yeah, I am definitely ready for the scooter to get here. I've got to stop that thing. I gotta remember how to turn off the tracking. Eh, it is what it is. I don't. Anyway, yeah, paid my rent today because, well, the peso was up to 59.3 when I looked at it. It was about 12 hours later when I actually paid the rent, so it may have went down. I don't know, but it was up over 59.3. I spent some money today, took care of things. Uh, Anything over 59, convert now. Uh, yeah, I'm trying to stack as much as I can because, the more I get for my peso, or the more pesos I get for my dollar, the better I am. Especially considering what I spent today. Yeah. Yeah, scary. But that's okay. It went to things that I needed or wanted. I wanted the bike. I didn't need it. I wanted it because yeah, I like the mobility of it. And as soon as I actually get this bike, and I was able to talk them down to a reasonable rate on this for monthly, doing 3 months instead of just one at a time. Uh, yeah, I'll be able to not spend as much on the bike for rental, and this leaves me plenty to take and get the new blue Click 125i. Oh, I want this thing. I wish they'd bring it out right now, even with me just having rented this, because, well, technically, I don't get to legally ride my bike until the registration shows up. Yeah, not supposed to do that. Although, having seen so many different weird things going on, I'm not too sure how often they actually check it, but I wouldn't want to take the chance. Uh, my luck, I'm writing it, and it's, I've had this thing a few days, and they see the date and get upset, get pulled over because, oh, it's a brand new shiny one. I like that one. Let me see it. Oh, you don't have it registered? Yeah, let me write this. Yeah, thanks, no. Because I've seen them they caught some folks, and I've actually seen where, all the people who didn't have uh, proper registration and insurance and proper attire just stopped on the side of the road. Yeah, just big pile waiting on the side of. I thought it was, they were all enjoying shade, but waiting for the light to change. But then I realized they didn't move when the light changed. Got down a little further. Oh, this is why. Yeah, the checkpoint. Yeah, I don't want to be at the checkpoint and get in trouble. Some things in life are just different. The Philippines definitely qualifies compared to, most places I've been. I'm loving it. Anyway, I'm tired. I plan on getting up early in the morning, getting a couple things done, getting housekeeping, and then, well, coming back, getting housekeeping, and then going out again to go get my visa, my passport visa, taken care of and back here. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow afternoon after I get the visa done. I think I've annoyed every Honda dealer in Cebu asking the same question, trying to find somebody who's going to give me a different answer. Okay, I might be being a little bit impatient for this Honda Click. A little bit. Okay, a lot of it. Yeah. Boy, this thing makes me feel like I'm drunk. Uh, but yeah, been getting out and riding and riding. I'm actually getting a core workout with this, and on and off and in and out. And I might not be actually getting as many miles walked. Sorry, got hiccups. But I'm getting more time on the motorcycle, which is giving you know, my guts and core an exercise. And yeah, I almost got run over by a stray tire. Somebody was doing work on a motorcycle in a shop, and apparently they dropped the tire and it rolled out into the road. I had a choice: slam on the brakes and it hit the wheel, or goose it and maybe have it hit the rear wheel. It missed my rear wheel by about 12, 18 inches at the most. I'm thinking it was closer to 12. Yeah, there's been some strange things came out. Goats, dogs, cats, chickens. Yeah, people tooling along, and all of a sudden, you're going, and somebody steps out from between a big truck and the car behind it, and they just step out into your lane. Yeah, attention grabber. Anyway, I'm done. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I need sleep. So, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And I'm William, Williams Philippines. You do you. Like, comment, subscribe. Fish out. Later blessings. Bye bye.